I go by the name of the Triga, and I dare you to zone out. Yo, life ain't really what it seems. Society taking victims and I'm just chasing my dreams. Stuck in another world, yet niggas still don't believe I'm a product of violation and violence of the team. Always chasing the money, but still I remain on scene. I'm the nigga that's trying to get it by every possible means. I'm caught between the impossible. Still I think that it's possible for me to progress, defying every law that is logical. From skipping classes, burning more ashes, writing more articles, to getting money, I aim for the industry like a cannibal. I'm hungry for the fame till I'm craving meat like a carnival. I move to the beat of this music just like a tango shoe. So many niggas all in this game, I do what I have to do. And if I had to kill, then I'm doing it like Osama do. Dropping bombs on the tunes, killing sound waves and audios, murder the beat. That's why I be doing time by the speakerphone. The future of rap game is right around on my shoulder blade. So I ride with the heat like I'm coming straight out the oven. I've been on hold for too long, cut the call and fucking redial again. I cut the call and fucking redial again. Real niggas be knowing what's up. You stick your nose into my business, now you got your nose up. Niggas be bleeding with their intentions, they got my fists off. Fuck it, nigga, I punch a hole through the wall. I would rather regret my actions than take your opinions. I'm true to this rap game, I don't fuck with fake apparatus. Mix me up in that mixture, I speed up just like a catalyst. That purple weed and liquor could start up a chain reaction. Got niggas acting like bitches, this ain't Kardashians. Most of you niggas underachievers, blame bad decisions. I'm used to the life of sin, so I'm seeking higher redemption. Pray that the Lord forgives all my sins and better my visions. Niggas acting like they're the shit. Fuck you, nigga, fuck what you think. Nigga, you quit, cause I came for the game to reclaim any nigga that say I ain't shit. Nigga, I'm shitting, all these fake rappers talking shit. Y'all acting, all the cameras keep shooting. You talk about shit you don't got. Nigga, you prove it, nigga, I ain't got shit. I'm broke, nigga, but I'm chasing my dream. I'm dope, nigga, like cocaine. You know, nigga, take a sniff, it's the 3 lines. That shit is coke, nigga. Adidas, I rock Nike, that's how it goes, nigga. Air Jordan, I'm dope. Whatever you say, I slay dragons on a daily basis. Murder any rapper any day. Street the beach, give me a freestyle it. The Trigger boy, like a load, I got it. I aim for the stars, never look down, nigga. Always forward, I'm chasing my dreams, I'm never stopping. Niggas hunting me, I'm like the Dracula. I hunt for the blood when I see red or the werewolf. When the moon is up, the full moon. Fuck what you think, fuck what you bring. The Trigger boy, like a load, nigga. So many schemes, I'm like the Joker with a crooked smile, like a crooked stick of a witch. Nigga, fuck you, you're a bitch. Suck my dick. I got the game up, like the flame. I'm a dragon, I speak the heat. I fuck the game up. I ain't lying. Thank y'all for watching my Zone Outs. You can follow me on Instagram on Nightmares of a Rapper, on Twitter, The Trigger, and y'all should subscribe to FreemeTV. Thank you.
Street said I ain't messing with the punchlines, cause I look to drop punchlines that will punch back. Hip hop a missile, then I'm the launch pad. All the rappers doing the movie, then I'm the stunk man. I go hard like a bono in the tight pants, flip the other side like a lomo in the white man. Go against me, speeding on the tight bend, smoking on the pipe, and you don't even know the right